Good morning, everyone. It's time for Fab Friday. I was inspired by the fresh sunshine to create a nice fresh look. It's very simple and I'm only using just a few colors, and I'm going to share a few tricks with you. And I even had someone message me and make a special request, and I love it when I get that coming through because that is gives me some information to, things to look for. Only 3 colors, and they're all going to be in my palette. Here is one of my Sherri Jessee palettes. You all know I have these for sale on my website, sherrijessee.com, and I sell the colors that go in there, and you can also put some of your own colors in. So this is the palette that I'm currently using, and the shades that I'm going to be using are the Latte and the Glazed. These are the 2 new colors. This is a contour color and this is a highlight color. And these are the colors, not only, I already use them on my cheeks, and then this right here, this blush. So let me see, that might be stuck in there. Let's see here. Here we go, here's the blush. So these 3 colors right here, this is what I'm going to use for my eyeshadow. What I always tell you is that it doesn't take a lot of colors to get the job done. Many times I really think that if you pare it down and use less colors, you can be just as effective, and it's much easier for you, and you don't get confused with having so many colors to choose from. So I tipped in with this and used this for my contour color, and then I tipped into this for my blush, and then I tipped into that for the highlight. So that's what brought me to here. Now let's go into the easy tips for the eyes, okay? So we're using those same colors that I used on my cheeks, I'm going to use on my eyes. And I set out these brushes. Let's see, these are basically the same. So I've got 4 brushes to choose from, okay? So we're going to start off with this fluffy brush, okay? And I'm going to dip into this blush. And this blush is called Shy Blush. I'm gonna go just barely, and then I'm going to put that on my eyelid, okay? And then kind of sweep that up. So peachy and pink tones are really pretty on the eyes. So we're just going to kind of put that on and then swirl that around, all right? So already you can tell that we've got some color on the eyes, and it really brings out the blue in my eyes. Whenever you have kind of peachy pink tones, it helps to bring out the color of your iris. Fluffy brushes are good for sweeping color and blending. Now let's go in with this one. It has more of a chiseled tip, but it's a little soft, it's not firm. I'm going to tip this into my contour color, just barely tip. Then I'm going to swing it upwards, and then right here, you could call this your socket or your crease line, right above where the eye socket is. I'm going to swing that back and forth. Tap, tap. We don't need a lot of color. Remember, I always talk about that. It doesn't take a lot of color. So swinging the brush kind of on the upward motion and then going back and forth like a windshield wiper. Okay? Just above. So the tip of the brush will go just at the curve. All right, so that gives a little bit of dimension to the eye. I'm going to take this flat brush and dip it into this darker color and go up under my eyelid, right here at the base of my eyelashes. Okay, so that gives a little definition. Just tip in, go up under, and notice that this color isn't very dark. It's actually just a few shades darker than my skin tone, but it helps to give definition to the eye. Next, I'm going to take this brush right here. It's a fluffy brush as well, but it's small. So I'm going to go into the highlighter color just lightly tip, and then right here, just below my eyebrow, put just a little bit of a highlight color. Okay, same thing on the other side, just below the eyebrow, just a tiny bit of highlight color. All right, and tip into that highlight color, and let's put a little bit right here on the inner part of our eye. You could call that the tear duct. Okay, just a little bit there. So those are the colors that we're going to use for the eyeshadow. And I'm going to slide into my blush color and put that on my matte lip color. So where that was a matte, when I go back with this blush, Shy Blush, has gold in it and a peachy pink. And that helps to give luminescence to my lip color. So that's all we're going to do. The 3 colors right here that we used, and these are available on my website. You can purchase them. They are $14 each, and then you can purchase the compact by itself and then pop them in. It's all magnetic. You can change your colors as you go, take them in and out, and then pop them in, and then they stay in there really good. So I love this idea. It keeps you organized. You don't have to have a lot of colors, and you take just what you need. So that is all the colors. Now what I'm going to do is the eyeliner. And my favorite method of doing eyeliner for a cat look, which is what I'm going to do, kind of a winged eyeliner, is using my Sherri Jessee. This is also available on my website. This is Onyx. This is the Luxe Cream Liner. Now, the things that I like are the things that I invest in and want to share and have available to other people. So that's why many of the things that are my very favorites, you can purchase on my website. With eyeliners, you can always use like a pencil. You can use a liquid liner, or you can use a cream liner. Cream liners are my favorite. I feel like I have more control. So I'm going to use this as like a lip brush, very narrow. See how flat? And I'm going to dip in here. So I'm going to start right in the corner. Okay, put just a little bit there. Then I'm going to take my brush. So I start out on the flat, then I'm going to put it to the angle, and then just go slightly out. Okay, so it's not really up too high. It's more of just a continuation of the edge of my eye outward. Then I will go through and do a top line. All right, so what I formed is a triangle. See the triangle? So then what I will do is go in and fill in the center part of the triangle. And then from here, where I started the color to the edge, go over a little bit more toward the middle. Okay? I like that because it's not too much. It's just kind of a gentle curve up. And I only went in one time with my color. I just used a little bit. All right, so that is like a subtle cat eye. Now I'm going to top this off with my Macy and Mia Playtime is Over mascara. This is amazing mascara. You can get this at macyandmia.com. And this Playtime is Over mascara is amazing. So we're going to start at the base of the lashes and just kind of zigzag up. This is a waterproof mascara, but the good thing about it is it comes off with soap and water. How many times you think you need a waterproof mascara, but then you can't get it off and then you tug and pull on your lashes, and we definitely don't want to do that. So with this, we can get a beautiful, natural, lengthening look with this mascara, and then it will come easily off with soap and water. So that is very nice. And I like how it's a natural look. It doesn't look too clumpy. Very nice. Let's put a little bit on the bottom. We did put that kind of taupey shade under the eye. So we'll complete that with some mascara here on the underneath. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Some quick tips on a very simple eye. The colors I used, only 3 colors. These 3 colors right here, the latte, the glazed, and the shy blush. And it just gives a glow to the eyes. This is also what I used on my cheeks and topped off my lip color. So the entire face, eyes, lips, and cheeks, I used those 3 colors. I hope you enjoy that. If you have a special request for next week's video, definitely send me a private message and I will try my best to give a review or a demonstration of products that you're interested in. As always, everyone who likes, shares, and comments this video will be entered into today's prize drawing, which I will do later on this evening. And the prize is provided by Macy and Mia Cosmetics. Today, the Lip Gloss Trio, beautiful colors. So we appreciate everyone for watching and being part of our Friday, and I hope your Friday is fabulous. Have a wonderful day, and don't forget to wear your best accessory, which is your smile. That makes us all look better and feel better. Thank you.